friends, welcome to another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I am preparing our lunch. I also bought new bed sheets for my 2 children and I bought some groceries, guys, so that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. It is still morning and I'm preparing myself to go and face the day. I hope you will enjoy this video, and then you get subscribed if you haven't subscribed, and give me a like if you like this video, and even if you don't like it, please comment in the comment section. I will gladly change what you don't like.
I get in and I put it in try. Ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the fly. Yeah. It's all the shots that you don't take. Never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way.
I actually bought these groceries yesterday night after getting some money, and by the time I brought them home, we had already got out of almost everything. So you can see some of the things we already used them, like soap and bread. We ate some, and I couldn't live there without buying a snack for my children, and that is it, guys. I am so glad that we have groceries. At least they're going to take us for some time. So this is what I bought. Now I am going to make my charcoal stove first, since I want to eat beans today. So I'll make my charcoal stove first, and after that I will go and salt the beans when the stove is lighting up. The charcoal stove has not been easy to make. I don't know why these days it is so hard for me to make a charcoal stove quickly, but I am glad that I am done. Now it is time to get some water from our home tap and go and sort the beans out. Since I am home alone and Shadrach is sleeping, I'm a little bit bored, so I would like to sort my beans from the other veranda, as you can see, guys. So that is where I'm going to be doing my work, so that I be looking at people passing by on the road, as you can see.
Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S.
I am done sorting out my beans. I am going to be using this pressure cooker. I was blessed so much by someone and gave me this pot, and this pot, ever since I got it, has cooked so many dishes. It is now 2 weeks, but you may think that I didn't have any saucepan or pans here at all. This is what I use, and it takes so little charcoal and less time to cook. I love it so much, and thank you so much, dear, for buying me this pressure cooker. I love it so much. I love it, and I wish one day you could eat a meal from it.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like.
Since my beans are already on the stove, now it is time to go change the kids' beddings and then lay their beds using the new bed sheets I bought for them. Actually, these bed sheets are second hand, but I love them because they are gutter. They have gutters. They won't be getting off the mattress like the current bed sheets they have. So I am going to be using this, and I think they will be so comfortable for them because actually they are cotton and they have gutters, as you see. Yeah, they can cover the whole mattress, and even if the kids rolls around the bed, it can never get off. I am so proud of this purchase. I am so proud.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. Once I get in and I put it in try, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the fly. Yeah. It's all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly anymore if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
This week, I'm not in the mood to keep a lot of dirty clothes. So I just washed my kids' bed sheets and I brought out all the dirty clothes which we had to be washed. And I am glad that I did that. Now my heart and mind is at peace. Nothing takes away my peace like being with dirty laundry in the house. It takes away all my peace for a week. So this week I'm opting for peace, and that peace means that I'll be washing every day. By the time weekend comes or Saturday, the day which we usually wash our clothes on, I will be free of dirty clothes, and I'm so proud of myself.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
Now it's time to check on the kitchen. I have a few utensils to wash and I'm going to be doing those dishes, but first I will remove the dry dishes from the rack and then proceed washing the dirty utensils, all the dishes.
Never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly anymore if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. 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 Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
By this time my beans are ready. They are well cooked. I used only one charcoal stove full of charcoals and they were ready. You can see this pot is such a darling. This pot is such a lifesaver. Because tell me why without this pot I could use like 4 full charcoal stoves to cook these beans. So I'm so happy for this. Now I am going to be cooking our food. We are going to be having posho and the water is ready. Now it is time to mingle our food.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
My son Shadrach is already hungry and honestly I don't want to give him any snack. I just want him to wait for this food, for this organic food which I am preparing, so that he can take something I am sure of. So I served Shadrach first and then after I settled to feed him because I couldn't even continue doing some other things without Shadrach. Thank you so much guys for watching my video and I hope you have subscribed. Let us meet in another one, another interesting one. Thank you so much if you have watched from the beginning. Bye.